Hello everyone! Today we're going to recognize the letter D, and we're going to be doing different activities that help us to recognize the letter D and say the D sound. Letter D. What sound does the D make? D sound. It's a bouncy sound. Shall we write the letter D? We're going to start from the top, all the way down, straight down to the bottom. Then we're going back to the top, down, and give it a curve all the way down to the line and end. Well done. Shall we write the D sound? This time we're going to start from the middle, go all the way around, up top to the line and come down to the bottom line. Well done. Super job. Now we have 3 letters here. We have to find the letter D. Let's name the letters. D, K, R. Can you point to the letter D? Well done. You found the letter D. Super job. Now we have some more letters here, and we're going to again find the letter D. Z, D, F. Can you point to the letter D? Well done. Super job. Well done. Now we have the lowercase letters, and we're going to be looking the sound that the D makes. That is the D sound. Okay? So we will say the sound of all these 3 letters, and we're going to find the D sound. I, J, D. Can you point to the D sound? Well done. D sound. Now we have 3 more sounds, and we're going to look for the sound D sound. D, E, Q. Can you point to the D sound? Well done, you found the D sound. Great job. Let's have a look to see what we're going to do next. Now we have our letter puzzle here. What we're going to do is to find all the D's in this. Are you ready? Let's go. Have you found the first D? Well done. Let's highlight it orange. Let's look for our next one. Fantastic job. We found another D. So we've got 1, 2 D's. Are there any more? Well done. Have you spotted another one? Well done. Fantastic job. Are there any more? Well done. Fantastic job. Let's have a look to see if there's any more. Did you say no? Well done. So let's see how many does we found. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 does. Well done. Now we're going to look for the letter D. Let's have a look. Have you found the first one? Well done. Let's highlight it orange. What did you say? Have you found another one? Well done. So far we found 2 letter D's. Have you found another one? Let's color it orange. Well done. Let's color that one orange as well. Are there any more? Yes? Well done. Fantastic. So we found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letter D's. Fantastic job. Well done. Now we have pictures here and we're going to look for a picture that starts with a D sound or letter D, which makes the D sound. Okay? Horse. D dog. Hat. Let's see. So it's not the horse because that begins with h. It's not the hat because it begins with a h. It's a dog. Well done. Dog. Now we have 3 more pictures and we're going to look for a picture that begins with a D sound. Are you ready? Fish. Snake. Duck. So it's not the fish because it's gone down. It's not the snake. It must be the duck. Well done. Let's think about a word that starts with the letter D. Let's read a word. D-o-g. D-o-g. Dog. Well done. Fantastic job. Let's see which sticker we're going to get today. Let's have a look. Okay, well done. You've done a fantastic job. Here's the sticker. Well done. We got a kitty cat sticker. Fantastic job. Well done, everyone. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.